Hi, my name is Vivien and these are the super ingredients that power up my skincare routine. My skin is quite prone to congestion, so charcoal is a great detoxifying ingredient for getting rid of impurities. I love this Boscia Jelly Ball Cleanser because it thoroughly gets rid of dirt and makeup without stripping away moisture. This toner has coconut and rose in it and it refines my pores and hydrates my skin. I use this hydrating gel mask before I sleep because it's lightweight and it won't clog my pores. It has hyaluronic acid which makes my skin look hydrated and plump the next morning. When my pores feel congested, I always use something with retinol in it because it helps with your skin's renewal process. My favorite is this Sunday Riley oil that helps skin appear younger and more luminous. And that's it!